Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial, I will discuss that being a student, how you will use the Google Classroom. Okay, how you will attend the classrooms and what are the different, we can say that what are the different steps which you have to follow during the online lectures. Okay, like how you will attend the class and how you will submit an assignment and how you will submit a quiz. Okay, which is assigned by the instructor. So first of all, you must have your official email address. Okay, for example, if your registration number @utpeshawar.edu.pk. okay, for example, if a student have registration number, for example 16 PWAGR 0633, so its email ID will be, official email ID will be 16 PWAGR 0633 @utpeshawar.edu.pk. okay. So first you have to join the classroom, the respective classrooms. Okay, so first the instructor will have to invite you into the class. Okay, so for example, when a specific interested instructor invite you to a specific class, then you will receive such type of notification in your official email address. Okay, that for example the instructor has invited you, okay, is invited you to join the for example the education engineering class. Okay, so that will be an invitation. So either you can click on the join class. Okay, one is that point, that how you will join your classroom. Okay, first you will get invitation from the instructor through your official email address. So just click on the join, so you will go to the class and it will be automatically joined. Okay, or when you have the official email address and for example the instructor have not invited you, so just write here the we can say that for example here just write the Google Classroom. Okay, so when you got the Google Classroom, then you have to click it here. Okay, so just click it here, so you will come to this opening, we can say this window. So you can see here the plus point, join the class. Okay, so when just you press on the join of the class, so it will require a class code. Okay, so either the instructor will provide you the class code which is given, for example here. Okay, the class code, either the instructor will provide this code to you people, or the instructor will directly invite you into the classroom through email. So either you can join it from the email, or if the instructor provide you this code, so here you can see that to join the class you will just insert that code. For example, if I have to if this code is supposed provided, okay, so just copy paste the code here and you will join that class. Okay, so see, that is joining. So once you join your class, so you will get such type of environment. Okay, the subject name along with the teachers, your section name. Okay, now see, this is the window that will be open to you. Okay, so there are just three streams. One is the stream, second one is the classwork, and the third one is the people. Okay, so see, in the people you will just see the teacher name, that who is the instructor of the respective subjects, and also here you will see your classmates. Okay, that who are enrolled with you in the in this class. Okay, in this see, in stream, that is the front page of the Google Classroom. So here you can share something with the instructor or with your other classmate. For example, if you are asking about the class timing, if you are asking about anything relevant to the course, so here you can share with your class. Okay, so it will be notified to your instructor. Okay, for example here you write something and just post it. Okay, so that will be notified to your instructor, and also it will be notified into your classmates. Okay, so also you can do comments on it if for example something is shared by your professor or by your instructor. Okay, so that is just the open page. Here you can just communicate with your classmate and with your instructor. Okay, here in the classwork, that is the main window. Okay, so here for example the professor is, the instructor is for example uploading their lectures, for example lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3. Okay, and here for example there is the assignments and quizzes. Okay, there will be some other relevant material. Okay, so if you want for example to download, or if you want to review the for example lecture number 3, so you can click here. Okay, so you can see all the things which is uploaded by the instructor, the lecture outline, and you can see that the material. So click here on the view material and click here. Okay, so see, you will go to the materials, okay, which is already provided here, which is uploaded. So either you can study the material from here directly from the slides, or you can also download it. See, click on the print icon, okay, print options, and see it will be opened in a separate window. Clear? So then you can download it from the Google. Okay, so either you can read it onlinely, or you can also we can say that download it from here. Clear? So that is the main classwork, where the different lectures or the different assignments or the different quizzes are uploaded by the instructor. Okay, so these are a little bit simple. The main theme, the main aim of this tutorial is how you will submit the assignment and quizzes. That is a little bit interested, that how that you people will have to know about that thing. Okay, so once that opens, so you can just download it. See, save as, so you can save it in your PC. Okay, so it will be saved. You can download it and you can save it in your we can save it in your PC. Okay, now so the classwork will be seen from there. So that is lecture number 3. Now, for example, the main thing is the assignment. Suppose if something is assigned to you, so it will be visible to you here in the main stream, that what is upcoming. So there is quiz number 1, the due date is Wednesday. Assignment number 1 is required, the due date is Friday. Okay, so if you have to submit the quiz, or if you have to submit the assignment, so you have to click it here. Okay, just click on the assignment, so you will get that is assignment number 1. Okay, and there is some instruction by the instructor, and here you can click on the assignments. Okay, that what is the assignment, what is we can say that what are the question which is required here, which you have to attempt in the assignment. So just click on it, so the assignment number 1 that will be opened here. Clear? Now, what is your response? So either here you can add some comments about the assignments. Okay, if you have any general query, so it will be notified to the instructor as well as your classmates. Okay, either you can here see the private comment. Okay, so when you write here something, yeah, when you have any query about the assignment, so it will be just conveyed into the instructor or the professor. Okay, and when you done this assignment, either in suppose in Word form, then convert it into PDF, or do it in we can say that manually, and then take its and upload its scanned copy. So just you have to add or create. Okay, click on the add or create. Okay, so if you have the Word file or PDF file, or you have scanned copy of your assignment, so just click on the file. Okay, and upload that respective file from your PC. Okay, if you have the assignments in, for example, in PDF form or in Word form, so directly you can upload it through here. Clear? Okay, or you can also see create here, mean Google Drive, means something if you want to upload from the Google Drive, or directly if you want to just solve the assignment here, so just click on the Google Docs. Okay, so it will open the Google Docs to you, and here you can solve the assignment, and here you can write what you want, yeah, what you are what is your response. Okay, so then you will see, click on the turn in, so the assignment will be submitted into the respective teachers. Okay, and if you have asked anything, so you can ask it here. Also you can unsubmit it if you want to change in it, so your assignment will be submitted into the respective teacher. Okay, now second thing, what will be about the quizzes. Okay, so see, that will be okay, let me back from it here. See, now see upcoming activities, the assignment you have submitted. Clear? And what about the quiz? Okay, so see, click on the quiz, so you will get the blank quiz which is already assigned to you. So click on that quiz. Clear? So there will be different questions, either multiple questions, for example, that is the question number 1. Okay, there will be a statement, and for example these are the options. Okay, so you have to click on the options. Okay, for example A, B, C, for example, all is the correct answers. Similarly, question number 2, okay, so what is the answer? For example, this one is the correct answer, so you have just to select the options and see the red this star button, this star, it is representing just the question is required, you must have to attempt it, okay. And either this question will be, for example, define and what is, or there will be some short description will be required, okay. So you can answer it and submit it. So the answer will be the quiz will be submitted into the respective professor, okay. And also you can see your score if the professor or the instructor have we can say that auto marked, he on the auto mark, so you can see that you got 10 by 20, okay. So that is just the marks of the multiple choice question, okay. For this one 5 by 5, 5 by 5, and the theoretical part that will be checked and then it will be marked, okay. So just in the theoretic, in the we can say that in the multiple choice question you got 10 by 10, okay. And the theoretical portion, once it's checked by the lecturer or by the instructor, then the points will be awarded to you, okay. So that is the about the quiz. Clear? So that was the quiz which you want to submit or the assignment. So now see, you have no work due soon because you have submitted your quiz, you have submitted your assignments, okay. Clear? See, in the Steam, that is the open general window where you can share with your classmates, with your professors classwork. Here will be here you will found the relevant material, the lecture notes, the assignment, the quizzes, or any other relevant material which is uploaded by the instructor. So you can view it, you can download it from here. Clear? And the people, that is the we can say that here you will see your course teacher and your classmates, okay. And see one thing more, when you are joining the class, so what you will do. Clear? So when you have to attend the class, so during the lecture time, the instructor will will activate a link, okay. So see at the front stream here a link will be available, you can see the Meet link, okay. So you will have to click on just the Meet link. So just when you click on the Meet link, so you will be go to the we can say that to the class, okay. So see, now getting ready, and you will be able to join in just a moment, okay. So you will join a class. So see, this link will be enabled by the instructor during the class time, so you have to just click on it and you will be entered into the class, okay. And see here you will see all your courses in which you are enrolled, okay. For example, you have 3 courses, 4 courses, 5 courses, so in each and every course you will be enrolled, and you can click on each of them, okay. Here that is the calendar, okay. So it will show you the activities that what you have to do in the next days, okay. So that is the calendar, and that is just a sample, okay. So you have to just deal with the classwork, and you have to check these things, that what is required, what you have to do, okay. What are the assignment or quizzes deadlines, okay. So you have to properly check the stream, that what is notified by the respective instructor, or what is the information shared by your classmates. You have to regularly check the classwork, that what is being uploaded, the relevant material of the course, okay. And you have to check this portion, that what activity is due, okay. So you have to perform it accordingly, either assignment or quizzes, and for the class you have to click just on this link, okay. I hope that this tutorial will be helpful to you people. Thank you.